Have you ever wondered how something so small could change the world in such big ways? We're talking about a technology so tiny it's measured in billionths of a meter. Welcome to the world of nanotechnology, a realm where science and engineering converge at the atomic and molecular scale. It's a place where the ordinary rules of the universe are defied, creating extraordinary possibilities. Nanotechnology, in its essence, is the manipulation of matter on an atomic, molecular, and supramolecular scale, and it's set to change the world as we know it. Imagine a world where diseases like cancer are cured before they even begin, where our electronic devices become even more efficient, and where environmental sustainability is more than just a dream. Intriguing, isn't it? It's a world that's closer than you might think. So buckle up and prepare to dive into the universe of the minuscule, the microscopic, and the molecular. In the next few minutes you will discover the fascinating world of nanotechnology and its potential to revolutionize our lives. Nanotechnology, as the name suggests, is all about the small, the really small. Now, when we say small, we are not talking about the size of a grain of sand or even a speck of dust. No, we're delving into a world that's even tinier. A world where things are measured in nanometers, a unit so small that it's 1/billionth of a meter. To put that in perspective, a single strand of human hair is about 80,000 nanometers wide. And in this nano world, we're dealing with structures and devices that are just a few nanometers across. Imagine, if you will, a world so tiny that it's invisible to the naked eye and even to most microscopes. This is the realm of the atoms and molecules, the building blocks of everything around us, and it's here that nanotechnology comes into play. It's a technology that designs, manipulates, and uses materials at this incredibly tiny scale to create new products and processes with unique properties. What sets nanotechnology apart from other technologies is not just its minuscule size, but the fact that materials at the nanoscale behave differently than their larger counterparts. For instance, gold at the nanoscale isn't even gold in color, and it can perform tasks like detecting the presence of viruses. Similarly, carbon at the nanoscale can form a material that's stronger than steel and lighter than air. In essence, nanotechnology is like having a new set of building blocks, ones that can be manipulated in ways that were once thought impossible. It's like being handed the keys to a new universe, a universe where the rules are different, and where the potential for innovation is limitless. It's a world where we can build machines smaller than a human cell to fight diseases from the inside, or create materials that can clean up environmental pollution. It's a world where small isn't just beautiful, it's powerful. Just remember, in the world of nanotechnology, small is mighty. You might be thinking, how can something so tiny make a difference? Well, let's dive into that, shall we? Nanotechnology, the engineering of functional systems at the molecular scale, has the potential to revolutionize various sectors, from medicine to electronics and energy. Its applications are vast and its potential, immense. You may be wondering how something so minuscule can have such a colossal impact. The answer lies in the unique properties of nanomaterials. Take medicine, for instance. Nanotechnology has the ability to change how we diagnose and treat diseases. Imagine a world where tiny robots can be injected into your bloodstream to seek out and destroy cancer cells without the need for invasive surgery. Or consider nanoscale drug delivery systems that can target specific cells, reducing side effects and improving patient outcomes. That's the power of nanotechnology in medicine. Now let's shift our focus to electronics. We're already seeing the impact of nanotechnology in this sector, with the development of faster, smaller, and more efficient devices. Nanotechnology can enable us to store vast amounts of data in incredibly small spaces, leading to more powerful computers and smartphones. It can also help in creating more efficient and longer-lasting batteries, revolutionizing how we power our devices. And it doesn't stop there. Nanotechnology has the potential to transform the energy sector as well. Think about solar panels made from nanomaterials that can capture more sunlight and convert it into electricity more efficiently. Or consider nanotechnology's role in developing more efficient fuel cells, which could significantly reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. These are just a few examples of how nanotechnology can make a big impact. It's an exciting field, one that's constantly evolving and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And the best part, we're only scratching the surface of what nanotechnology can do. So, despite its small size, nanotechnology has the potential to bring about significant changes in various sectors. It's clear that even though nanotechnology operates on a micro scale, its impact is anything but. So, where are we heading with nanotechnology? As we delve into the future possibilities of this minuscule yet mighty tech, it's like peering into a world of infinite potential. Ongoing research paints a vivid picture of what's on the horizon. Imagine, for instance, clothing that can change color at the flick of a switch, thanks to nanoparticles that respond to light or heat. Or consider the medical field, where nanobots could one day deliver targeted treatments directly to diseased cells, revolutionizing the way we treat illnesses from cancer to Alzheimer's. It's not just about what we can see or touch. Nanotechnology could also transform our digital world. We're talking about data storage that's not just smaller, but faster and more energy efficient, making our smart devices even smarter. And let's not forget the environment. Nanotechnology is poised to play a pivotal role in clean energy production and waste management. Picture tiny, powerful solar panels that can harness more sunlight and convert it into energy more efficiently, or nanostructures that can break down harmful pollutants in air and water, making our world cleaner and safer. Of course, these are just possibilities. The actual future may be even more wondrous than we can currently imagine. As leading experts in the field often remind us, the only limit to nanotechnology's potential is our own imagination. We're on the brink of a new era, where science fiction meets reality. With each passing day, more and more research is unveiling the remarkable potential of the nano world. It's a thrilling ride, and we're just at the beginning. As we continue to explore and harness the power of the small, we're not just reshaping technology, we're reshaping our world, and our future. We're standing at the precipice of the next technological revolution, and it's all thanks to the incredible power of nanotechnology. The future of nanotechnology is not just bright, it's dazzling. Nanotechnology is not just a concept, it's a revolution. A revolution that's transforming the world we live in, one atom at a time. This is not a tale of the distant future, it's a reality unfolding right now, reshaping industries, creating opportunities, and fueling economic growth. Consider the energy sector. It's a gigantic industry, often associated with enormous structures like towering wind turbines or sprawling solar farms. But the future of energy isn't just big, it's also incredibly small. Researchers are harnessing the power of nanotechnology to develop more efficient solar panels and batteries, revolutionizing how we generate and store energy. Now let's shift our gaze to healthcare. It's an industry where nanotech is making a significant impact, one that's deeply personal and transformative. From targeted drug delivery to early disease detection, nanotechnology is revolutionizing healthcare, offering the potential for more effective treatments with fewer side effects. And it doesn't stop there. In the realm of manufacturing, nanotechnology is redefining the rules, enabling us to create materials with extraordinary properties. Imagine a world where your smartphone screen never cracks, or a car that's resistant to dents and scratches. That's not science fiction, that's the power of nanotechnology. But the impact of this revolution isn't confined to technological advancements alone. It's a catalyst for economic growth, creating new industries and jobs. The global market for nanotechnology-based manufactured goods is projected to exceed $1 trillion in the next few years. That's $1 trillion opportunity, fueled by the power of the infinitesimally small. So, as we stand on the precipice of this revolution, let's not underestimate the transformative power of the small. Nanotechnology is not just about making things smaller, it's about making things better, more efficient, and more sustainable. Nanotechnology is poised to change the world, one atom at a time, and we're not just spectators in this revolution, we're part of it. With every new discovery, every innovation, we're reshaping our world, one atom at a time. As we journey into the realm of the infinitesimally small, the implications are enormous. We've traversed the nano world, a place where the rules are different but the potential is limitless. This journey has taken us to the intersection of science and imagination, where we've glimpsed the power of small and its big impact. From medicine to computing, energy to materials, we've seen how nanotechnology is not just a futuristic concept, but a present reality, transforming our lives in ways we could never have imagined. The future is nano, and it's already here, revolutionizing our world, one atom at a time. We're on the precipice of a nano-revolution, a new era where size truly matters, and where the smallest changes can have the most profound effects. The next time you think about the future, remember, it's not just about thinking big, sometimes it's about thinking small, really, really small.